In a cozy little house nestled amongst rolling hills, lived a young girl, Lily. Lily loved her parents dearly, but sometimes she felt they were too busy for adventures. Her mother, Maya, a weaver of stories, spent her days crafting fantastical tapestries, and her father, Kai, a carpenter of dreams, built whimsical furniture for her children across the land. One evening, as the fire crackled in the hearth, Lily announced, "There's nothing to do. Every day is the same." Maya smiled, her eyes twinkling. "But Lily," she said, "every day holds a new adventure if you know where to look." Kai chuckled, his beard crinkling at the corners. "Indeed," he said, picking up a chipped wooden spoon. "This spoon could have sailed the high seas or climbed the tallest mountain." Lily's eyes widened. "Really?" "Of course," Maya joined in, her voice like a gentle breeze. "This tapestry thread could be a magic string, leading you to hidden wonders." Intrigued, Lily spent the next day exploring her home with fresh eyes. The worn floorboards became a pirate ship's deck, the creaking stairs a rickety bridge across a rushing river. Each object, imbued with her parents' love and passion, whispered stories waiting to be told. Later that day, Maya sat weaving a tapestry depicting a magnificent tree. Lily, inspired, grabbed some of her father's discarded wood scraps. As she hammered and sawed, Maya told stories of brave knights and mischievous fairies who lived within the tree's branches. By nightfall, Lily had built a magnificent, whimsical castle for her toys. From that day on, Lily never complained about being bored. Her parents' work became her playground, a constant source of inspiration. Maya's tapestries became maps to uncharted lands, and Kai's discarded scraps transformed into fantastical creatures and wondrous inventions. Lily learned that the greatest adventures weren't found outside, but within the boundless creativity sparked by her parents' love. And so, the little house nestled amongst the hills became a place where stories bloomed, fueled by a mother's imagination, a father's craftsmanship, and a daughter's boundless spirit. It became a testament to the magic that unfolds when a family embraces the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary.